How to create a PIN for Milestone Credit Card. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to create a PIN for Milestone Credit Card. Now let's get right into the tutorial. To get a Milestone Credit Card PIN, call the number on the back of your Milestone Credit Card and ask customer service for a PIN. You will likely need to wait for the PIN to arrive via email, text, or mail. The best way to get a Milestone Credit Card PIN is first, call Concora Credit Customer Service at the number shown on the screen, or call the number on the back of your Milestone Credit Card. Second, inform the representative that you want a credit card PIN, and third, receive the PIN in the email. If you need a PIN for cash advance, it's important to note that cash advances have high fees and interest rates, so you'll generally want to avoid them whenever possible. Finally, keep in mind that even though the Milestone Credit Card has PIN capabilities, it's still a signature preferred credit card. This means it may not work at unattended kiosks abroad, like in a train station or parking garage, but you should have little trouble elsewhere. So, this is how you can create a PIN for Milestone Credit Card. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.